remember when the woman come and she say, Andrew, I hope you. Me believe, Andrew. Me believe, say you walk up here. Me not gonna take it for you. I know 1 time, I know 2 time, I know 3 time, I know 4 time. People are mixed up in here in a blood clot, hope you are iniquity. You understand me? Portia, you walk up here too. You think the people never did I see you? Boy, you hook up on the sukkot with blood clot, Mr. Smith. You see him body cold. The whole loud. The Batman say. The Batman say, you Juliet and you Andrew, I walk blood clot up here with the 2 Smith them. Harty Smith and the other Batty Smith who wanna pretend to kill. Just because he have no file. And no see how the Batman come out attack there. I pay a Batman. Harty a Batman. Mr. Smith with the Batman. The man will come out attack a Batman. And look there, it's 3 Batman know them blood clot what are they. Because you know how the LGBT community go. What make you think RT like me? What make you think me a RT link? It's how we are Batty people. It's how we are 2 blood clot Batty people. Me not try to read nobody, me beat them. Me rather beat them and teach them, beat out them bumbo clot. Beat out them pussy hole. I kick out your bumbo clad right there, so kick out your pussy. When the 2 Batman them are gonna reason, that's why they can reason because LGBT they back a LG blood clad BT. Remember you? I saw the flag go. I don't remember. We started. The Sodomite them. Sodomite started. Harty the right back a blood clot me with it. No. Yes, Harty the right back of me. LG. So I Pretti Don Harty. Them that lesbian gay. Lesbian gay. These are the lesbian, the gay, bisexual. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, LGBT. Transvestite. You are not transvestite. I am not a transvestite. Me a lesbian. So you dirty RT always a blood clot. Follow me come here a blood clot. In the same alphabetical order. Me in the same blood clot alphabetical order in a boy RT. And as how you come up and your first blood clot come. I see him so what here? Me here yeah boss. You say you crash car, you broke foot, you go take a breath, you go you walk around like you didn't know what this blood clot, Jesus. Like you blew a breath in a man, and I take out breath out a man, I broke foot, and I heal them back, pussy hole. You're a false prophet, bumbo hole. You want to see him blood clot Smith. Something wrong with that name there. That name there corrupt. When you corrupt, man. Bumbo clot, dirty thinking, blood clot, RT. RT as near, as hope you come up for your first name job. Oh, RT boss. Yes, that's why you get up every day. Oh, shower. Green. Shower. Me man, shower to bumbo clot every day you get up. Shower blood clot that. I don't like it. I don't know. Sit down right there on watch and you walk your blood clot hobby on and not say nothing. Nobody not say nothing. And you dirty blood clot RT. Me tell you sitting RT. Me know say enough people here the boy I pay if it cost you. I pay if it discriminate you. As soon as your name make no blood clot headline, you see your run come up with your little pussy clot tight up shirt them and who up my front bumbo clot shirt like you can show off with your ugly bumbo clot navel. My navel not even look like for your pussy clot navel. I mean I do that. Hey boy, every minute you come with your look a Batman style like to RT has a big fish reader man. We know Batman from the 90s. And this Batman I do. Shut front open. No blouse. Nothing. RT breast them all a grow. RT dirty breast them all a grow. You know. Mr. Andrew. Me think you have step down. You want your false. Yeah man, RT you for you. The other day, me see you going on. I don't want to corrupt this life. Power of fear. Yes, man. That church that corrupt, you know. You see that church there? Where they put more in your power of faith. Corruption to the core of us. From once you go into the church there, go hear nothing, see nothing, or even go through the blood clot door, you're corrupt. Me see, Andrew, they have a press conference over there. People, remember, say this is not hearsay. All of them sit there on the blood clot internet for you to see. I'm not lying on this pussy. Alright. The press conference are going on, we are talking about crime and violence in Jamaica now. None of it. We sit down blood clot right, that's not a reason. Can't pretend for ball when we know about all of the innocent life them will take a yard. None of we can't even think for even pretend for ball when we know how much girl pitney dead last year and little girls, little past 9 dead off last year. None of we can't even sit down right here so and even think in ourselves for even try to force ball off of some blood clot things that we know is a fucker. You know why we can't pretend for ball? We have to ball. Because we feel them. We know them. I feel we family them are dead. I feel we cousin them and I feel we blood clot uncle them and I feel we auntie them and I feel we niece them. So we are go ball. We not go pretend. We not go have no. We can't go down. A blood clot power of faith. Go turn up on no blood clot stage. And pretend for ball about what go on in a Jamaica. You want me to tell you why, Andrew? You see what go on in a Jamaica, it hurt we more than how it hurt you. So you can go for one blood clot. That the church, that corruption. You can go in there go do that. Because the whole of them in the corrupt, and the pastor in the corrupt. You see, Free? Watch you now. You see what I see up on that chair, on that stage there? You don't need to step down as a blood clot prime minister. You not even have emotion or sympathy or empathy in your heart for your own blood clot people. If you are going to stand up on one stage and pretend for ball, and pretend for hurt, and pretend for feel something for the ghetto youths them who are dead, and for the little girl them who are dead, and for the woman them who are get their head cut off and stab up and fling down. If you have to go up on one stage, go perform. A performance, I call that, brother. A perform, you go up there, so go perform, Because them, the tears there, it look like say you go dig them out and pass that batty wall and put them in your eye and you, with your false blood clot pretense, that the speech they alone, and just to see how you have to pretend for ball, and pretend for care, and pretend for see what we see. I it alone, show a blood clot we. Say you not give a fuck about none of what go on, brother. Because none of we can think for even pretend for ball. Because when we think about the dead pitney them, and the pitney where they bleed out in a little hut. And the little woman when they get her baby father to come in through a window and stab her in her sleep while her pitney them in her next room. We have to ball for true because we are lose people. You're not lose nobody, brother. And we are lose them. So what I see with your false balling and your false care and your false this, it does show me who the fuck you are. It show me who you are, brother. This is a game for you. This is like a soccer game. A kick ball. This is a ball game for you. You pretend for care, you pretend. No, we don't have to pretend, brother. And we out here feeling. You see me, I said, you can go up on one stage, go pretend under your little blood clot mask and red and pretend for care. But you see, when you gone home to your blood clot wife and your pitney them was safe, our one them not safe. So we have to out here ball. We can't pretend for ball. And we get this. You see me, I say, we with the right, yes, have to ball. And you false care and you and the blood clot maroon them all you curry. Well, I have been a sellout. Pussy wall maroon. Remember you tune here man laugh up with no found. Come on, curry. Something in this way you blood clot want, brother. I can't just sovereign this, sovereign that. Pussy, you never go in a bush one day your blood clot life yet, curry. You never dig a Stevenson, nor a yellow yam. You never chop off no banana off a blood clot tree. Brother, man, curry.